Getting some phantom gating going on here. Blew the 7.4 on for the AND gate. Anyway, I got a couple coming. Got some optos coming too. Gonna rearrange that to do the gating properly. But these opto modules are pretty cool. 600 watts, 30 volts or 60 volts at 10 amps. That one, and then that one's a little less. I can't remember. Anyway, this guy's driving. It's driving this guy pretty good. There's a lot of freaking current going through here. You know, it was maxing out my 5 amp power supply over here, but I'm running it on this 12 amp one that's wasn't really supposed to be that much bigger. It's an old Heath kit. Anyway, it just puts 12 volts across there, so it's real crappy. And this is loose, so we get the jiggling action going on. I only got one signal, so I'm only using one side of the 7490 decade divider output to trigger it. I can hook it to the other side too and get the other side of the other 555. So it's working, but just in single waveform. Getting some bubbles. Voltmeter and the scope only realize 2 volts on the output side of the bifilar shared choke here. And as you see, the scope is only on the 1 volt scale, and we only see about 1 to 2 volts here. So, but what's actually happening, this is a diode on the high voltage side. I'm going to take it off and look at that. Let me turn it down. Making a liar out of me now. What did I do? Here, let me turn the frequency up. There we go. Certain frequencies drives this thing a little better, so that's what I was getting at. That you can see. I had a pretty good, like 1/8 inch spark happening certain times, but the thing never still reads 2 volts when I hook it up at that frequency. So that's with the diode that way. I flipped the diode without shocking the piss out of myself here. The lathe flips around the other way, starts doing it, phantom gating. That's the noise that the 7490 chip must be leaking. That's actually triggering the balls happening during the gating, the opposite gating. Anyway, this is working out though. I'm getting there. We're making some bubbles. Not a lot, but you can see from the can here. If I go, put my damn diode back where it was before I started being an idiot. Now we got this wave again. It's real slow. It's only 1 frequency, but the phantom gating is actually helping. It's coming off the can. That appears to be the negatively charged electrode. Yeah, it's real hard. It's real faint, but it is happening. There you go. You can see a little bit there. This is just a 304, or no, I think this is a 440 stainless drain boot, and that's just a pump can I found on the side of the road. Somebody threw it in my yard. Anyway, interesting. I need to get more current into this thing, I think, and that will give me the voltage a little bit higher where I need it to be, or at least with a little more current. Who knows? Cool.